rub it down, strip it. I need to go get the fan. A couple of the fans. I gotta run downtown and take care of paperwork real quick.
Yes. I'm filming.
Now you're filming me. So the reason we separated these, we're gonna sandblast them and treat the metal and everything. This is the battery box and tool storage and whatnot, but it is steel. And then this structure, this is the structure for the bench seat, and it's aluminum. So we wanna get them separated and clean out all the rust from the steel, clean up all the rust and gunk that was in between them, and we don't want to sandblast aluminum in the same manner that we sandblast steel. So
the back bench price bracket, I guess. The brackets are in there, and these are the aluminum that goes under it. So, cleaning them up, getting them ready to get painted. Working on a 67 Land Rover, and I have discovered a bullet hole. Got a hole right here that was kind of hiding itself, and it has went through and put a dent in the backing of the galvanized trim. Kind of cool. But I've not located the bullet.
Cool, we have just oil on the ground.
All of our panels, all the damage worked out as much as I would like to go until we got to this point. So I am fitting up cab, seat base, sill structure, bulkhead. I will get the front fenders reassembled with the what Land Rover calls the wings. So I will bolt the wings back onto the fenders. So I'll get the whole front end lined up. There was really no adjustment to the back. It's pretty well, you know, there's not really any adjustment there. It's just where it goes. Same with the bulkhead and the sill supports and the bench support. I don't know about the front fenders yet. This car came in completely disassembled, so we'll get those mounted up and see if there's any adjustment needs. So the whole point behind all of this step is to make sure everything goes together, make sure that we don't have any structural misalignment, because there was some structural damage in the sill plate structure in the bulkhead and in the fenders. So I'll get those mounted up, and if there's any adjustment that needs to happen, then it will happen once I find out. But so far everything's looking like we got it straightened up.
The other ones seem supposed to have that usually, yeah. But I believe it really does.
It doesn't, I mean, it doesn't look crazy bad.
No, the Jeep, the Bronco, oh, that's nasty.
Well, that's what I mean. I still need to adjust the bulkhead, but this gap is pretty even. Yes, like, yeah, I definitely need to adjust the bulkhead. I'm gonna play with shit.